everyone, it's Stephanie Ketcher at Remax and Love Living in Kitchener, Waterloo. Unfortunately, we wouldn't know it today, it's such a beautiful day, but fall is definitely coming and it's time to start putting away all those fun summer things you've had, tidying up your home and getting ready for the winter. So for us, we're going to be putting the hose away shortly, so I have to do all the things that require the hose. I don't want the hose to freeze, so we'll start with the barbecue. Been using it all summer, trying our best to keep it clean, but guess what? It gets really disgusting. So, because I love our barbecue, we love to cook here, and we don't use it much in the winter, I'm going to be using some products to keep it clean. So, we'll start off with the Easy Off. It smells terrible, but it's a great job getting all that grease off of there. We have a stainless steel grill polish and cleaner we'll be using. I have a Tough Grill Clean one here, that's the stubborn stain remover, and then also a grill revitalization cream. So it looks like a lot, but if you care for your barbecue properly, it'll definitely last you much longer than a couple of seasons. Hopefully it'll last you upwards to 10 years. And maintaining your barbecue in the fall is a great way to be happy in the spring when the weather is warm and it's time to finally barbecue again. Okay, so the next item on my list is to put your air conditioner away. It's finally cooler evenings, you can leave the windows open, there's no need for your air conditioner anymore. So it's time to make sure that you properly put it away for the season. First thing I do is unhook the power out of it. So it's quite easy. We have a box here with the power plug right here. You flip it over the other way and that is off. Reason why I turn the power off, A, it won't accidentally turn on in the winter. B, it doesn't suck any little bit of power, so it is a little bit of savings and it saves you from accidentally turning on your air conditioner. Next thing we have to do is put a lid on the air conditioner. So as you can see, we have our air conditioner fully wrapped here. It's in a wooden box basically. There's no need to wrap your air conditioner super tight. I see people all the time who wrap it in tarps and do all of that. That's unnecessary. That's trapping moisture inside of your air conditioner. You don't need to do that. All you need to do is make sure that you don't get any snow and ice landing directly on the blades of your air conditioner. You're trying to make sure that those blades stay in the right position, don't get bent, don't get damaged. So icicles from your house, we have a pretty tall house here, icicles from our house can definitely do that. So we make sure that we cover the top of it. So we do that easily with a garbage can lid. So that goes right over top here, a brick goes on top of that, and then we have a lid that goes on top of all of that. So that's how we protect our air conditioner. We don't wrap it up, we don't really cover it too much. If a critter gets in there, it doesn't matter. If snow and ice build up next to it, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure that nothing falls on top of your air conditioner so that you can protect it for the entire winter. As you can see, the sun is going down and I finally finished the barbecue. I've just gone ahead and warmed it up a little bit, cooked off the little chemicals that were left behind. But now you can see the barbecue and see that it basically looks like a brand new barbecue and it's ready to go for the spring when we're ready to get that first hot dog going. So one of our next steps to putting away stuff for fall is the patio furniture. So it is so sad to put it all away, it means we can't sit out here anymore, but it's important to make sure you put it away correctly. So we have this patio box that George made for us where we store all of our cushions year round. In the winter, we're a little more careful with it. So we wrap everything up like a present in a giant garbage bag. So all the cushions are here wrapped up. We're gonna close this lid, we're gonna put another tarp on top of it, and then stack our furniture, and I'll show you the finished product. It basically looks like we're moving, but it's all sitting on the deck, nice and covered, ready for the winter. So as you can see, everything is now underneath the tarp, and we've gone ahead and used the bungee cords. We have some hooks that we've installed all along the deck here to basically hold everything down flat. They also are bungee corded on the other side of the fence, nice and taut. So the snow will just rush off of this, land on the deck, and we can then shovel it off. But basically, this will protect all of our stuff that's in there from the elements this winter. Okay, so the last step of putting our backyard away is to put away the hose. So it's something we had to use for a lot of things, and we put them away, lots of things to clean. Now we're finally done putting our yard away. Last step, put away the hose. It's very important how you do this. So we've already gone inside. George turned off the main tappets out inside the house, so there's no longer water fresh water coming out to the hose. We now need to make sure that we clean out this spigot and everything, then there's no water in there to freeze, back up into your house and create additional problems. So take off your hose and then turn this water back on and let whatever is in there drain out. And also inside we have a little drain. We're gonna put a bucket underneath that, open that up, and let whatever water's on the inside of this also drain. So that's how you put away your yard for the fall. I have a 10-point checklist from my great friend Mark Carruthers at Pioneer Insurance that I'll link below in the video, and you can get some additional tips and tricks on what you may need to do to finish and get your yard ready for the coming winter.